1.5 hour flight from Dubai to Mauritius, and we were very hungry, so our driver took us to a local fast food joint so we could try some Mauritian delicacies.
Our first stop today in Mauritius, we're going to try Creole. So Creole basically is a mixture of African, Asian cuisine. So we paid about £12 for all this. So this is local fish, soup, chicken, this is vegetables, you got chicken again, you got mutton, and this is mix of vegetable, chicken. We have just come to one of the higher places called Eurocar. They've been really quick, the service is excellent, and we're just having a look at the car now. We're just having a look at the car. We're going to hire it for the next one full day. They've given us a brand new car, it's only got about 30 kilometers on it. So we'll be heading to a place called Lamont, which is one of the places that a lot of people go to see. So how long have you all been selling all these fruits here?
Maybe 4 years.
And before that, what you did? Many other jobs.
Working on the beach.
Yes.
Yeah, tourism, you're related to tourism, don't you? And she's the mother.
Yes, mother,
And
daughter,
daughter,
uncle.
uncle, and children. Oh my God, so many.
Yeah, small baby.
Yeah, and how many languages you speak?
Creole, French, English, Hindi.
Oh my God. Okay, so now y'all think your ancestors are from India? You
Yes.
think?
Yes.
Where
yes.
in India?
Maybe in
Madras, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat.
Gujarat, maybe. Yes.
Surat. So this is the local Mauritian fish that I've ordered today.
Creole style.
It's Creole style.
But you refused to go original, so what did you ask for?
So I've asked them for extra spices.
So good luck.
So I'm not sure now what I'm going to be having. What Gemma has got? What did you order?
We've got Bofala Creole, which is Creole style beef.
And what have you got there, Ashley?
I ordered.
Thank you.
Mercy.
Merci.
I've ordered prawns and mushrooms. Oh,
Okay, go on. What have you got?
prawns and mushrooms because I wanted to try the prawns.
I just demolished my fish. It was quite a big one. And I'd asked him to put some extra spices, which probably he did, but it's still not spicy enough for us if you're coming from the Indian subcontinent.
Okay, stop moaning. What did it taste like?
No, it was good. So this is obviously Mauritian food with African influence. So it was good. How was yours, Gemma?
We had a beef, Creole style beef. I really liked it. The sauce kind of reminded me, the tomato based sauce reminded me of like Ethiopian food. It was really tasty and I'd get it again.
Fish fillet in garlic butter sauce. Fish is interesting. It looks like it's no skin, no bones, which is all I eat.
So all in all, we've had a taste of Mauritian food.
We think, we're not sure.
And the dessert's soon to come, so we'll show you what that's like.
So this is pineapple. And
Banana. No, 1 minute, please.
Okay, some more to get.
To stay away.
No, Josh.
So what is this now? What is this called?
Rum.
No, this.
Oh, right.
and
Pineapple.
this, and
Banana.
banana. Okay. Great. So this is a Mauritian dessert.
Specialist, yeah. Mauritius
Oh,
pan.
wow.
Yeah.
Okay, great.
I am specialist.
Especially, what's your name?
My name?
Yeah. Oh God, what language is that?
Chan Atiel. I am half Mauritian, more of Chinese.
Oh really? How about
My father come to China.
From China.
My mother is Mauritius. My specialty rum. The gift.
What is it called?
The gift, the rum. Préparation for me. The rum is the name GoanAroundTheWorld.
Yeah.
And you have pineapple, you have caramel, you have vanilla. Pineapple, caramel, vanilla.
Yeah. Cheers to the owner who's given us a gift from Mauritius. Let's try this. Wow, that was something.
Cinnamon.
A lot of cinnamon, rum. What else? Fire. Yeah. There's something really
You need the video
amazing.
camera on you, mate. Cinnamon, isn't it?
Hey. Good morning. Another day in Mauritius. We just come to a small restaurant and having breakfast. It's about 7:30 in the morning. It looks like as if they have a Goa version of bhajias. This is onion bhaji. This is cauliflower, cabbage, and that is potatoes. And here we have some chicken. Jama, how's the chicken?
It's like stir-fried chicken, soy sauce, fish sauce, oyster sauce. It's not spicy, but the flavours are there. We had it with a French bread.
And a lovely cup of coffee early morning. The first coffee we've had since we arrived. It doesn't look as if it's a coffee nation here.
Or tea.
Or tea. Yeah, so we are at one of the top 5 beaches in Mauritius. The water looks turquoise. We've got some boats here. So let's have a look at this one here. Back to the capital of Mauritius, and we've just seen this cave. It says Mary Immaculate Conception 2005. And there are statues of Our Lady here and some saints and bishops. Very interesting stuff. This is a cave, and there are things written in French, I think, Creole, nothing in English. Amazing. We just arrived in the city of the capital of Mauritius, Port Louis, and we're right in the market. It's a buzzing market. Loads of people here. What is it, Esther?
Tastes like butterscotch milk. It's basically a faluda.
But it's a Mauritian faluda called faluda pile. Good. Better than the sugar. It's got vanilla in it.
So this is the famous dal puri that we finally got after much searching on a Saturday, due to it being a national holiday, but we found it in the end. And let's see what it's all about. Wow. No one's expecting at all. So the puri, which is really, really soft and fluffy, but inside there's an explosion of flavors. An overwhelming spice which I was not expecting, so instant tears, savoury, salty, yeah, but really, really nice though, so it was worth the 2-hour search for it.
We've just arrived on the Costa Victoria, which is our cruise ship that's leaving today for Mauritius at 9 o'clock on towards Seychelles. Spend a few days there, then Madagascar, a few days, Reunion Island, and then we come back on the 15th.